For today's video guys, we have got the Volkswagen Beetle with us guys. We have bought this from Flipkart. Today we're gonna unbox it and review this beautiful 1:32 scale car. Hello guys, my name is Shokan. Back to another video of collecting with you. If you like cars, you have to subscribe the channel. And without wasting much time, let's roll the intro.
Warning: this channel is too addictive for every diecast car lover.
So in today's video guys, we have got one of the most iconic and rarest cars. This is the Volkswagen Beetle, which was manufactured from the year of 1938 to 2003. This is one of the most iconic cars from Volkswagen. This is a family car famous because it looked like a bug guys. Let's see guys which color we have got. This car is available in blue, white, red and yellow. Most probably we can pull out something good. Let's see guys. Okay, we have not got any box guys. So we have just got this car. It is looking amazing from the starting. We have only got a plastic packing that is looking disgusting to be honest. Finally guys, we have got the Volkswagen Beetle with us guys, and this car is looking so much premium. This is one of the most iconic car from the late 90s. And look at the bug like design guys. This is absolutely like a Beetle. Just look at the color scheme used over here guys. We can see red with the black color and silver design over here guys. And talking about the front section guys, as you can see we have got the Volkswagen logo over here. We got a Beetle GSR tag over here guys, that is looking so much premium. We have got air vents over here, we have got some reflectors over here, and look at the cute headlights that are looking absolutely same like the original model guys. And this car is absolutely looking like an insect, a small compact 4-seater family car. So talking about the left section guys, we can see a full red scheme used over here guys, and also you can see the gray design or the gray finishing used to highlight the doors and windows. That is looking amazing guys. And also we have got a guard over here that is looking so much premium and well detailed. Here we can see rubber tires with grey alloy and grey brakes. Car is having a really glossy finish and looking amazing. So talking about the back section guys, as you can see we have got a Volkswagen logo over here. We have got the GSR branding over here, and we have got this two backlight that are looking amazing guys. Let me open the back side for you. Just look at it guys. Let me open the doors for you. Just look at it. I will show you the engine. This is the water cooled petrol engine guys. Look at the exhaust guys. Let me show you the light. If you still haven't watched this app Hello Evo review guys, what are you doing guys? Go to my channel, watch the full video. If you like this video guys, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel Collecting with You. And thank you guys for watching my video. Peace out.